Right, I'm going for get rid of this bit of rust. It's just little tabs it is. There's a little bit on the, that's the driver's door sill, just as on the opening. I ground it down. And some rust eater to put on there. I'm going to have a go with that on the wheel arch as well. And a bit there. There's nothing much yet, which is the time to catch it, because you can peel it straight off. It's all because they don't clean behind there. You see it's still wet inside it. I'll do that a little bit there. It is going round underneath. Yeah, there. It's going round underneath, look. So I'll grind that out. Get rid of that. I've got one there. Right, but that's right on the side panel. And until I get some proper paint, I'm just going to touch these others up with the aerosol. You know, it's just little things. If I can find my finger, there it is. Just a little things, a little one there. I'll just touch that up with an aerosol. One there, look. If I look at it. Well, that's as far as it goes. And that's if you'd clean the wheel arches before you park it up. Like the driver's side is the worst. On the passenger side, there's just a bit on that wheel arch there. Right, you can see how far it's crept. It feels like it's been painted before there because the paint's sort of come off. So I'll get those out and do those. It's not on the wing. Other than that, there's nothing else. Just a little bit in that corner there. Nothing on that wheel arch. But I have got a bit coming in the corner there. So yeah, I got a bit coming under there. So depending on how much the paint I got left, I might have a go at that. That's just dirt. Absolutely nothing on the back doors. Nothing nowhere. That's nice and clean all the way through. Right the way up. There's a bit on the hinge, but I'm not worried about that. Hinges on these things wear out fast. There's nothing at all I can do about that one. That's a fair sized dent. That's just best left alone. That's it, that's all I can see there. not on another panel. So I'm going to mask that off fairly heavily. And then try and touch it in. It's not bad, I'm running on the inverter. I can see it's come in little pits all the way around the outside, but I'm not going to really bother with those because they're, I don't know whether I'm getting close enough to see there's little tiny spots there. T-cut will fetch most of that out. It is creeping underneath. T-cut won't fetch that out, won't fetch that out, but it'll fetch those out. But where do you stop? Got a little bit there. Right, so where are we? Up a tad. There you go. Right, with this one, I'm going to get these small bubbles out because they're full of water. I'm going to grind the entire inner arch there. We'll just touch the tops of these. See what we get. So what I've done is taken the tops off them. I should put some rust cure on it now, which is acid, and that should stop the rust going any further. There, Generalite, and it's liquid, and it comes out like a milky colour. But once you put it on the metal, wherever there's rust, it'll turn blue, then black. Give it a good shake. I got an ordinary paintbrush, and I cut it down, cut all the outer bristles off, because I don't want them sticking out like that one is. I just want to put them on in that specific spot, and as you can see, it's like a purpley colour. Right, put it on, and that's turned black instantly. You don't want to try and get too much on the paintwork if you can. It doesn't hurt it, it just means you've got to get it off. There you go. I'll come back and give it another coat in a minute. I don't know whether you can see it. But you've got to try not to get it up on the paintwork too far. Alright, stick some filler on it. It's dried a bit now. Stick some filler on there. On that one. Almost. It's still wet, that is. Yeah. It's covered most of it. This is the last one I did. Always like to leave a square corner. If you leave a square corner, once you rub the outside flat and then the inside flat, then take the corner off. You can match it better. And always use a flat block if you can. There. It's done. I'm not showing you when I sand it down, because if I show you when I sand it down, I'm going to get the camera covered. So leave it in a minute. Done that sill, got rid of all that rust all the way along that edge. You know, I shall touch that up with a bit of black paint, because that's like a black tape, that is. Got some of it somewhere, but this is a bitch to get off, so I shall just touch that in with black paint. But anyway, all that sill's done there. That wheel arch is done. I'm just about to T-cut it back now, get rid of the fly edge. That's all done. I've done that one there. I'm not too worried about the little bit of filler marks, because when I can afford it, because I can see that around the light there's a bit of rust coming around the light. That one there, that's fucking gross, that is. I've done that one, got a bit of paint on the mud flap there. I'll get that off. And then done all that side. and I've done that wheel arch there. I have got some pits in it, filler pits, but as I say, I'm not worried until I can afford to paint. This is just an aerosol can, and it's not very nice paint. There's no shine to it. So when I can afford the base coat and lacquer, I'll do that. But that's got rid of all that rust, horrible looking rust.